Windows rattling during wind can be super annoying, but there are some simple fixes you can try yourself to stop that noise fast. First off, check if any of the screws or bolts around the window frame are loose. Tighten those up with a screwdriver. Next, adding weather stripping around the edges helps seal gaps where wind sneaks in and causes shaking. If you don't have weather stripping, peel and stick foam tape works great and is easy to apply. Another solid move is installing storm windows. They add an extra layer of protection and reduce rattling by keeping the wind out more effectively. Also, inspect the window panes to make sure none are cracked or loose in the frame. That can cause extra vibration. You can use glazing putty to secure any loose panes if you're comfy with a little DIY. If your windows are old, swapping out worn-out hardware like locks and latches for newer, tighter ones can make a big difference. Finally, using heavy curtains or blinds on windy days adds some weight and helps muffle any residual rattling sounds. One of the biggest problems with windows rattling during wind is ignoring loose hardware because it seems minor, but that just lets the shaking get worse. Fix this by tightening all screws and replacing any broken parts. Another common mistake is skipping weather stripping. Without it, gaps stay open and let wind whip through, so make sure to add some good quality weather stripping around every window edge. Lastly, a lot of folks don't consider storm windows, but not having them means losing an important barrier against wind pressure. Putting these in place can seriously cut down on noise and drafts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle issues like rattling windows quickly and affordably. Contractors also use the site to find new projects and grow their business by reaching more customers in their area.